What's the meaning of behaviorist? Behaviorist. Behaviorist.
Behaviorist. Behaviorist. The term behaviorist refers to a school of thought in psychology that focuses on studying observable behaviors and the environmental factors that shape them. Behaviorists believe that the mind and consciousness cannot be studied directly and instead focus on how behavior can be modified through conditioning and reinforcement. This approach is often associated with the work of psychologists such as B.F. Skinner, who believe that there is no such thing as free will and that all behaviors are a result of environmental stimuli and previous conditioning. The behaviorist approach has been influential in fields such as education, therapy, and animal training.